Hey guys, Mr. ATC once again back to you for another idea of housing. In our small tips and tricks today, we're going to talk about pilot holes. And when we are working with pallet wood, it's always nice to have something pre-drilled. This will avoid that you're breaking the wood, you're splitting the wood, or even destroying it. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use this tool to make life much easier for you. And as usual, if you are new to our community, you would like to recycle and to learn and to see beautiful stuff create with recycled materials, I will advise you to sign up just right here and to click on the different links that we are sharing with you via the video description. And of course, don't forget to click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are sharing new content with you. Alright, let's take a look. If you are working on a nice woodworking project, you could experience the problem of splitting the wood. And this, especially if you are working with pallet wood. And if you don't drill some holes first. With the small pilot drill that I'm showing you right now, I'm gonna quickly show you how to easily avoid this. First, we're gonna start by setting up the right measurement. Usually you just need to use the same thickness that the wood itself. And as you can see, you can have it in different size, and you can decide which one is the best according to the wood that you have. So after finding the right thickness, you just need to screw it back. Put it into your drill machine. Then you can start. And note that you don't need to put too much power into it. And remember that to drill a pilot hole, you need to select a drill that is the same diameter that the screws you're going to use. And as you could see here, I'm using a bit that has a countersink that is helping me to add a beveled recess to the hole, so that the head of the screw can fit into it pretty easily. Alright, so that was it for today. I hope that you like those small tips and tricks that I'm sharing with you on a weekly basis now. If it's the case, feel free to give us a thumbs up. And as you can see, when you're working with recycled materials, especially reclaimed wood, it's very important to make sure that you're not breaking too much of those woods, because it's already difficult to work them out. It's already difficult to clean them. So if you're after that breaking them, it doesn't make sense. And remember that we are also sharing articles from the members of our community. So if you would like to share also your ideas and different things you are working on, especially if it's recycled, we will advise you to go to ATC app, the ATC app, and subscribe and create your first article. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe just right here and click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are sharing new content with you. Mr. ATC once again with you for another idea of housing, and I will see you next time.